Hello, good morning guys. Namaste and welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are doing amazing. So it has been a month that I haven't been uploading vlogs because I was planning for a very big trip. So finally it had happened guys. So this is my dream trip. I have been dreaming this from my childhood. So finally it happened. Thanks for God for giving me this opportunity. So by seeing the intro you already got to know that I am traveling somewhere, right? So basically I am doing a road trip for 3 to 4 months approximately. So in this road trip I am going to cover some beautiful landscapes and beautiful architecture over South India. So my first destination today is that I am going to Srisailam. So basically I am from Hyderabad. So it's 217 kilometers from my home. So it will take me approximately 5 to 6 hours to reach there. So till 150 kilometers the road is very neat guys. It's very smooth as you can see it in the videos. And after 150 kilometers even the road is very good. You got some nice air-pinned curves which you can enjoy. This is the only beautiful gateway for Hyderabad where you got a lot of nature. This place is very powerful guys. So this is the temple of Lord Shiva. It is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. Okay guys, hope you'll enjoy the video. I'll catch you on the other side. So guys, as you can see, I am almost all near Srisailam. It's just 40 kilometers from here. So I just stop here just to have the fresh air over here. So this is the best time to visit this place guys, because in the rainy all these trees will turn into dark green, which looks very pleasant for your eyes. Guys, can you see monkeys over here? So there are plenty of monkeys like this all over the place. Guys, see guys, they are doing their own massage therapy for themselves. Oh, see the little one. So I'm giving it some fruits. What a catch! Going for the next one. Okay, go! Ooh! Got you, mate. Monkeys have gathered here for the food. Okay, go on. Oh, it's standing in between of the road. Ah. Bye bye. Well, it's a refreshing road, guys. I like places like this, which have trees on the both sides, and where I'm going in between of the trees. It's a fantastic feeling for me. guys, this is called Srisailam Dam. Usually gates are open in rainy season. It is a very fantastic view to see when the gates are open. Most of the power supplied to Andhra Pradesh comes from this dam. All the electricity collected from the turbines is stored in these electricity power banks. I guess what are these called? So guys, now we are on the other side of the dam. So basically we were somewhere there. That area is now called as Telangana and the other side is called as Andhra Pradesh. Before these two were one, but now the states have been divided. So guys, this is called Sakshi Ganapati temple in Telugu, which means witness of Ganesh. Ganesh is the son of Lord Shiva. According to me, maybe he is in meditative state, so he cannot see his devotees coming. So maybe I think Ganesh will keep the record of it. So people here say that it's mandatory to visit this temple before visiting Srisailam. Guys, as you can see, this family is doing a road trip. you see a big cylinder there in the stove. They are cooking their own food. Basically, road trip was an old idea in India. So this is how middle class families in India travel usually. It's good to get some inspiration from these guys. Thought to share this because even I'm doing a road trip. So they are just cooking their food beside the temple. That's the temple, and they're cooking their food over here.